Indians have a plane that flies their name? Well, Tejas, one of the world's smallest and lightest fighter jets, carries the initials of the man, KH. The man who designed it long before India had designed a car or even a motorbike.
Kota Harinarayan. He's the man who laughs at everything. At success, at failure, at himself.
Oh, she's the safety lady. You can try that.
At the Aeronautical Development Agency or ADA in Bangalore, former director Harinarayan is God. When he started work on Tejas, or the light combat aircraft as it was codenamed then, he had nothing except a dream.
My interest in aviation actually came in 1965. It was the war. First time India used aircraft. I just graduated from Banaras University in mechanical engineering. So I was fascinated. So I applied for aviation aeronautical course in Indian Institute of Science.
What Kota wanted was a fighter made for India, not an easy import from abroad. No one outside his team believed an Indian-made plane could fly. Not the media, not the government, foreign jet makers, not even some of his partners.
Yes, we have to put more effort. I was not able to see why we can't do it. But then everybody else was thinking it cannot be done.
January 4th, 2001. Defense Minister George Fernandez arrives for a test flight. His advisors warn him the LCA wouldn't fly. They were wrong. For 18 glorious minutes, Kota's dream machine screamed through the skies. India's fighter jet had finally arrived. Today, companies like Boeing buy this little plane software. It turns smoothly, refuels mid-air, and is capable of attacking across continents. In the pipeline is unlimited oxygen supply that will let the pilot fly for days without landing.
Only a couple of countries have this capability today to develop OBOX, onboard oxygen generation, which will increase the endurance of the pilot.
Nobody now talks about selling technology to us. Nobody. No. In fact, today, if a Boeing comes, Airbus comes, SNECMA comes, they are talking about collaborating with us. I think we are way ahead of the rest of the world.
The LCA is a story of how researchers, factories, even scrap dealers came together to make magic.
We have to make a very, what you call, high temperature, high strength material. We have to bend in a very particular way in the aircraft for air conditioning system on the aircraft. Our engine factory, everywhere we tried, nobody could do that. There was one small scale industrial fellow sitting in Bombay. I came to know from my friends from ISRO that fellow can do the job. Okay, so I went to him. And then he saw the drawing, he saw the thing, he says, "Hum kar denge." Then I said, "Humko facility to dekha." He says, "Nahi, I cannot show you my facility, but I can do the job for you. If you have confidence in me, you leave it with me." I had no option but to have confidence because we were not able to do. I left with him. He said 4 weeks, but it took longer time. But when he came, gave us the part, impeccable quality.
Stories like this became legend, and the man who started them all won a Padma Shri in 2002.
Great.
But Kota's already dreaming bigger. His next project? A 90-seater civilian jet that can land and take off from the worst airfields.